So we start off today's video with someone who has long, dark hair. Stylist cuts the hair into a bob. She also gets some curtain bangs with this transformation. Wow. Such a beautiful, effortless style. Absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So if you've been looking for something new and different to do to your hair, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Wow, what an amazing transformation. All that long hair gone. So next up, we do see another long too short. Stylist has the scissors, once again another ponytail, and the big chop, full in action. So it looks like the stylist is doing a bit of a pixie bob for this cutting. So after he does the cutting, he begins to blow out the hair. Wow, absolutely gorgeous pixie bob style. She looks amazing. So much texture within this cut as well. Beautifully done. So next up we have someone with shoulder length hair. Looks like she wants to go much shorter. So there is the before and there is the after. Breathtaking mini bob style. She does have the swoop bangs going in the front, a bit of a tassel texture throughout. Absolutely stunning. Next up, we have someone with long dark hair. And bam, she gets a nice, effortless mid-length cut. Beautiful. So here we have someone with hair about shoulder length. The stylist chops the hair down. Puts in a relaxer. Does some more cutting, shaping. There is the before. And there is the after with the curls put in place. Absolutely stunning makeover. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.